Hey guys, I'm Amanda with Nature Nymph Events. I'm super excited to be sitting here on this comfy, cozy love seat couch with Jessica and Julian, award-winning Oregon wedding photographers. We're so excited to draw the names out of this bag for our styled workshop starting on September 6th and 7th. Julian, can you tell me about this workshop?
Yeah, so we're all super excited for this workshop. It's on September 6th and 7th. We're going to be doing a sunset and sunrise shoot. And Jessica and I are going to be with you guys every step of the way with 2 sets of models for both different shoots. And it's going to be wonderful styling by Amanda here.
Yep, so we'll be meeting over at Trillium Lake and Government Camp, and we'll be working on all things like posing, settings, and just giving you the content you need to really build your portfolio so you can take the next steps into becoming a wedding photographer.
I'm going to start and find the first name. Are you guys ready?
Let's go!
Let's do it.
Woo! I feel like I need a drum roll. Give me a drum roll. Okay. Amanda Ask. Woo!
Congratulations.
Thank you for joining our workshop.
Oh,
we got
yeah.
the name.
We start keeping track of these.
Yeah.
All right, spot number 2. Jennifer Hoekstra. Congratulations. Now, we had an overwhelming response to this questionnaire, and unfortunately, we can only pick out 10 names.
All right. We got Heather Tienan.
Yeah. It's windy out here.
Yes.
Sorry for the wind.
Hang on. I'll hold on to these. I don't want
Yeah, that's fair enough.
We have 3 so far?
Don't want to lose them.
Next one, Amanda Picorni. Yay, we have 3 Amandas. Thanks, guys. Make the name popular.
Alrighty. Next spot, Clarissa Keep. Is that Keep or Reap?
Reap.
Reap.
Sorry, bad handwriting.
I forgive you. Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
All right, here we go.
How many do we have? 5?
Let's see.
We got Stella Scott.
Congratulations, Stella.
Stella makes 5, I believe. Oh, 6. 4 left.
I was holding on
4
to that
left,
one.
guys.
Okay, spot number 7 goes to Anna Damamio. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Go ahead, Julian. 3.
You're next.
All right.
3 more.
We got Lizzie Bowers.
Congratulations, Lizzie. We're excited to meet
All right,
you.
2 left. Oh, gosh. Raylan Goodwin. Congratulations.
Okay, I started this mess. I'm going to draw the last one.
That's fine.
All right. Number 10 spot goes to Goran or Govin Vidovich. I'm sorry I didn't spell it right. Thank you for joining our workshop, guys. We're really, really excited that you decided to take this huge step towards growing your photography business. Public places make it really interesting to record videos. Please expect an email within the next 24 hours going over lots of really, really important details about the photo shoot, what to expect, how to dress. All of those details are really important. And if you feel like something might have come up and you won't be able to make it, also please reply to us in that email so that we can know what to expect and how many people to expect. We will be providing some minor things like water and snacks, so it would help if we know if you're coming.
Absolutely. Can't wait to see you guys on the 6th.
Can't wait to see you.
Bye!